supposed to work here to receive our complaint. So, dapat matanggal yan si Garapel. Tawag ko nga dyan, Garapal eh.
What is your legal authority in saying that you are not authorized to receive? We want to know. We are
It
curious.
is a statement of fact na I am not authorized.
Okay.
So you are saying that based on your own conclusion of what the law says, you are not authorized. Is that what you're telling this fellow lawyer?
It's not in the law.
Panyero,
It's
kaya
against the
nga.
law. It's against the law.
Is that what you're saying?
Okay lang, sandali. So sinasabi na ni attorney are not authorized. So is there an instruction, attorney?
No.
Walang
So
instruction
that-
from SecGen, walang instruction from...
Okay, going to my next question.
Okay.
Since there is no instruction, you're saying that you cannot receive the complaint. It's based on your conclusion of the what the law says.
Wait, sir. Wait, sir.
Pakalis naman, sir.
These questions, what are they for?
We want to know because we are citizens. We are paying
And
your
it's a
salary.
public office.
You're a public official.
Okay, one by one.
Under the Constitution, very clear that if there's an impeachment complaint and duly endorsed by
Sige, para maliwanag na I refuse to be covered by any media recording or anything.
Ano, this is public. Wala dyan sa ano.
Hindi pwede.
This is a public office.
Sige,
public office.
Hindi ito private conversation pare ko.
For manifestation's sake,
Okay.
Okay.
I just manifest.
Okay,
I
go ahead.
have not consented to any recording or broadcasting of any conversation here as I don't.
Okay.
Our lawyer and co-complainant, Attorney Ferdy Topacio, will tender the
Okay.
complaint.
Okay.
Hindi, sandali lang, for the record.
Oo.
We'll tender the complaint in accordance with the Constitution.
I note for the proper. That's
Kanina yun,
I know.
Inabot ko.
Yes, kanina yun for the proper. I said no. Para let's go through the motion.
Okay.
I said no.
Yes.
Para at least po.
Okay.
Nonetheless, we are tendering the
Attorney, just to be, to you, to be candid, syempre, because we understand na hindi ka naman yung authorized, but of course, as a group, we will also take legal steps. That's why may mga ganito na motions. We understand na. So, we thank you.
I wala pong sama na loob. If that is what I understand.
So,
we
in
thank-
fact, we feel sorry that you have to take the
We
phone.
thank you
this
for
meeting.
receiving us. So, maraming salamat. Kung may documents.
Yes.
Establish ko lang. It's 2/11/22 January na tinender namin sa iyo yung aming
Para kukumpletin ko na po.
Okay.
It was an attempt to
No, it's not an attempt. We tendered to you.
We tendered to you.
Para kukumpletin ko na nga.
Galing na sa kanya.
Sige, let
You
him...
were here
To tender.
To tender. I refused.
That's legal.
And you left a copy here in the office. You could actually leave it there. Para okay na po tayo.
Pwede ba pa-receive ba?
Is that satisfactory?
Okay na.
Okay,
Yes, thank you.
This
Thank
is
you.
what I
Thank you.
propose. Di ba office, di ba office hours nyo hanggang alas 5?
7 o'clock.
7 o'clock, okay. Since wala si Cheloy dito, hihintayin namin na dumating siya ulit.
Yeah, very.
Ako, hintayin ko. I'll stay here until 7.
sama si Cheloy. Tanungin mo ko
We
sa
will wait
Out of the country.
until
Okay.
Anyway, thank you for that. Alam mo naman na.
Boss, where is the SecGen? Where is the SecGen?
Asan na section? For the record.
Where's the SecGen?
For the record.
Taiwan. And in her absence, who is the acting SecGen? Sandali. For the record. Who is?
Isa-isa lang.
It's you. It's you.
There is no acting secretary.
Siya ang ano.
Who's the second in
But you
command?
are second in command.
In this office, I am the executive.
Nonetheless, we are tendering and proffering our original complaint and the annexes for and under and by virtue of the Constitution of the Republic of the Philippines.
Kaya kanina ko pa sinasabi, baka meron kayong binabiolate na civil service regulation. Kasi you're supposed to be, pagka wala dito yung...
Automatic.
May officer in charge.
Merong papalit, merong susunod.
Automatic.
Secondly, Panyero.
Wala.
Secondly, Panyero.
Bakit si Garapil? Nagano na naman, pumunta ng Taiwan.
Hindi, kung wala siya, the office is here.
Okay. We have already, di ba? We've established yung already. Given it. Si attorney naman was kind enough to state yung legal basis. So, okay na tayo. Ha? Yun nga. Anyway, bigyan naman ni attorney yung...
Enter naman tayo. That's enough. That's the legal requirement.
Tira, Manong? Let's go.
Iwan mo natin. Ay, Kong.
That's the legal requirement.
No questions.
Iwan tayo.
Thank you.
Attorney, any quick statements, sir? 5K nanonood sa live ngayon?
Again, I have not consented to be recorded.
Alright. Alright.
Sige, iwan.
Kung Mike, for the 5,000 watching live, anong statement natin?
Well, una sa lahat, si attorney was kind enough to come here and sabihin niya na hindi na kaya tanggapin. So, itong opisina nito kasi hindi naman tao but na office. Sa saligang batas, wala na tanggapin talaga. And ito papakita lang na talagang yung nako ng impeachment ay kalokohan at gusto nilang babuyin ang ating proseso ng saligang batas sa impeachment. Ito lang ang pagkakataon ng tao magreklamo, hindi ba pinayagan?
Yes.
Any statements, sir? Sa
I second I give my full assent to the statement statement of Congressman Mike Defensor na talagang sinisigil yung karapatan ng mga taong bayan na sila ay magreklama.
Congressman Paras, ano pa statement natin sa kanilang pag-refuse ng ating complaint?
Well, unang-una, wala daw yung SecGen. Nasa Taiwan daw. Unang-una, yung SecGen, she's violating the One China policy. Kasi dati siya doon na head ng NECO. What's your business there? When she's supposed to work here to receive our complaint. So, dapat matanggal yan si Garapil. Tawag ko nga dyan, Garapal eh.